This is the Paycheck Budget, a spreadsheet that helps you budget one paycheck at a time, so you always know the bills are covered before payday. You assign each bill to the check that pays it, and the whole thing does the math for you. Let me walk you through it, tab by tab. It only takes a few minutes to set up. Every copy opens on the Paycheck Dashboard. This is one single paycheck at a glance, and the moment you log your income and bills, every number you see here fills itself in. For cards tell you the whole story. This paycheck is $2,100, with $1,224 in bills due. That leaves $676 still to assign, and $418 that is genuinely safe to spend. This paycheck's plan splits your money into needs, wants, savings, and debt. Here that is $1,024 for needs, $476 for wants, $400 to savings, and $200 to debt. The donut shows it adds up to your full $2,100. And next 4 paychecks looks down the road, so a lighter check or a heavier one never catches you off guard. You can see what is left after bills on each of the coming paydays. This is the Signature tab, and the real reason to use the paycheck method. Bills by paycheck. You take every bill and assign it to the payday that will actually cover it. On the left, each bill has a due date, an amount, and a drop-down for which check pays it. Rent, $1,450, is assigned to check 1. Internet and phone fall on check 2. You simply pick the paycheck from the list. And here is the part that makes this worth it. Paycheck 1 is flagged in red and labeled overloaded. $2,100 coming in, but $2,260 in bills, leaving you $160 short. The sheet caught it before a single payment could bounce. The fix is simple. Move one bill to the next payday, and the warning clears. Paycheck 2 and 3 are already comfortable, with $1,465 and $1,407 left over. Green means every bill that period is covered. The pay period planner zooms all the way out. Here is your entire year, all 26 bi-weekly pay periods, laid out on a single page. The cards across the top total it all up automatically. $54,600 in income for the year, $25,570 in bills, and $5,200 set aside in savings. And each pay period gets its own row, with income, bills, what you have planned, what you saved, and the leftover. It is an easy way to spot the tight periods, like the first of the year here, well in advance. The spending tracker is where your plan meets real life. You log what you actually spend, and it compares it, category by category, against the plan you set. At the top, the bottom line. You planned to spend $3,743. You actually spent $3,816, so you are $73 over. A small miss you can see and correct. Each category shows the plan, the actual, and a status. Groceries, dining out, and subscriptions are flagged over in red. Everything else is on track in green. There is no hunting for where the money went. It is right there. The last tab is sinking funds, and it is how you save for the big stuff without the stress. You set a goal, save a small amount every paycheck, and the progress bars fill themselves in. The summary shows 6 goals running at once. You are putting $775 aside each check. You have saved $10,650 so far, against a total target of $28,200. And each goal gets its own card and progress bar. The emergency fund is 42% of the way to $10,000, at $200 a check. Vacation, new car, holiday gifts, they all fill up automatically as the paychecks roll in. To make it yours, head to the Setup tab and pick your pay schedule. This copy is set to bi-weekly, 26 paychecks, but choose weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, and the sheet builds the right number of pay periods for you. Then list your real paychecks and bills, and clear the sample data. It works exactly the same in Microsoft Excel and in Google Sheets. And that is the whole spreadsheet. Give every paycheck a plan, assign your bills to a payday, and never wonder if the rent is covered again. It is a one-time purchase with lifetime updates. no subscription, and it works offline. You will find it on Etsy from the link in the description below. Happy budgeting!